Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how you can split your videos in the Inshot editing app for mobile devices. It's quick and easy, so let's get right to it, shall we? So as you can see, this is the screen that you're met with when you actually open up the app, and you have these three buttons from which you can choose whether to edit a video, a photo, or a collage. And of course we want to edit a video, so let's click on the video icon. Then we will be taken to our gallery where you can view any of your videos from your actual gallery. Any video that's saved on your device will be here. And to actually choose a video, let's say I want to choose the first one, just click on it and confirm your choice with the green check mark in the bottom right. And now you'll be taken to this screen. As you can see, there is a play button from which you can play your video and review your changes. All of those changes will be here in this video track as well. Here's your toolbar with all your editing options, and in the bottom left you can see this red plus where you can add another video or a photo or whatever you want to the actual video. Now, to actually split the video, what I want to do is scroll over here slightly to the right of the beginning. This is the canvas is the first option you have, and slightly to the right you have all these options, which are basically cutting the video, speeding it up, modifying the background, etc, etc. However, to split the video, here you see this split icon where you can see this thick white line cut by one small white line or a thin white line. And to actually split a video, just choose in the video track where you want to split it and just click that split icon. And as you can see, now the video is split into two different sections, and I can modify each one however I'd like. I can add a transition in between them, and so on and so forth. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in another one.